So guys, for the first method, once you're on Steam, you want to click on Steam in the top left. Now you want to click on Settings. And then once you're on the Steam settings, you want to go to the Downloads tab. Now once we're here, you want to scroll down and then click on Clear Cache. You now want to click on Confirm. Once you click on Confirm, it's going to sign you out of Steam. You want to sign back in again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem. For the next method, you want to come back into the Steam Downloads tab. Now you want to go to Download Region. You want to change your download region. Change it to somewhere which is close to you. It probably is already somewhere which is close to you. Change it to another location which is close to you. See if that works. For the next method, once you're on Steam, in the top left you want to click on Steam. Now you want to click on Check for Steam Client Updates. It's now going to start checking for updates. If you have one, you want to click on Download. See if that works for you. Now for the next method, first we're just going to fully close out of Steam. Now to do that, in the bottom right of our taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you want to find Steam. You want to right click on it and then click on Exit Steam. And then once you fully close out of Steam, now we're going to head over to Search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on File Explorer, you want to go to this PC. Now you want to go to the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that. And then click on Program Files x86. Now we're going to scroll down till we find Steam. You want to scroll down till we find Steam. Double click on it. And now you want to find Appcache. Double click on it. And now you want to find the Appcache folder. We're going to delete this. So you want to click on it and then click on Delete. And then once you delete that folder, we're now going to head over to Search and type in Steam. Click on it. It's now going to send you back into Steam and the Appcache folder is going to come back again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.